Hello everyone. So this is a K-12 kit and today we will work on the project slide traffic light. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the switch. Then the switch to the positive of the LED. Then negative of the LED to the ground. We will have to repeat this process for the other two LEDs. Power to the switch. Switch to the positive of the LED. Negative of the LED to the ground. Power to the switch. Switch to the positive of the LED. Negative of the LED to the ground. Now, when I will turn the switch on, the LED will start to glow. Let's check for the red one. Now the yellow and for the green. See how the LED started to glow as soon as we turn the switches on. Let's turn them off and see.